Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to connect custom domain to Railway. Alright, let's begin. For this tutorial I will be using a GoDaddy registered domain, but rest assured the process is same for any other provider. First, log into the domain provider's website, select your domain, and open DNS settings. Now copy your domain from here and get to the Railway website. Here, open the project you want to connect and click on the main node. Now go to Settings in the top right, then scroll to Networking and click Custom Domain. Next, paste your domain name from GoDaddy here. Enter the port number for your app. By default, it's 8080 depending on your framework, and click Add Domain. Next, access your GoDaddy account and try adding a DNS record. Simply click on Add, select CNAME record with www as the name and paste the value from Railway. If a conflicting CNAME exists, delete it. Then save your changes and verify the record in Railway. Once the CNAME is verified, your custom domain should connect. Finally, wait for DNS propagation, which can take up to 72 hours, though it usually updates in 20 minutes. So that's basically how you can connect custom domain to Railway. That's it for this video. Thanks!